Hi everyone, welcome back. Jana here with you today, and I have a new process video for you. I was in the mood for some bright and colorful butterflies, and so I started with my favorite magical powders, and I'm just adding them dry with a brush to a piece of a white cardstock, and then I will start to splatter some water on top of it. I'm using the powders, let me check, Hydrangea Blue, Tit-a-Wheel Teal, Cotton Candy Pink, Teapot Purple, and Saltwater Toffee. And these are some of my favorite magical powders. And as you can see, I'm just splattering lots of water on the powder, and I'm working in the I don't know, they are matching each other and blending into each other, and so they are also creating some new shades, and I totally love how they are looking. I love the sparkle in it, and I just love the different pigments and the different shades, and magical powders are just the best thing to play with. My first sheet is ready to go, and now I'm working on the second part, and there's a purple and ending into a light pink. And this is by far my favorite way to use the magical powders, just by adding them dry to a piece of paper and then adding the water on top. It's just pure magic what's happened on the paper, and it's I just could play with the magicals all day long, and it's my favorite medium, and I always love the results. So now my papers are ready to go, and then I will start to punch out or to die cut some butterflies, and here you can see the sparkle and how the colors are looking in the dry when they are dry, and they are just gorgeous. I did a lot of die cutting, and I also stitched the layers together, and I let the ends from the thread on the butterfly so that I will have tons of dimension and texture, and it's just awesome. I decided to go with a white cardstock and some black and white details on it. I'm also scrapping a black and white picture from me and my hubby. And now I'm just starting to build up my layout. I knew I wanted to have the butterflies in the gradient like I have them on my paper or on the desk. And so I'm just starting to play around. I will also use the same magical powders on my background paper to get some colors behind the butterflies and the picture. And I will do that on the same way like I did for the butterflies. So I will now grab the magical powders again, and I will bring the powder onto that white cardstock, will add the water on top, and so I'm just creating a nice background for my layout or for the butterflies. And I will just have some fun again, and you can see how this is looking, and it's just magic when the water meets the powder, and I just can't get enough from that gorgeousness. And I'm very deeply in love with these powders. Just finishing my background paper, and then I will start to bring everything together, and I'm totally happy. You can also use the magical powders in a different way. You can add the water first and splatter, or bringing the powder into the water, or you can mix water and powder together before you will use them, and each time you will get a different look from the colors. And I don't know, I really love them. I think the magical powders are the best thing out there. So now I stitched down the paper strips to my paper. I ruffled and distressed the edges, and now I'm bringing in my butterflies. And as you can see, the background, it looks just perfectly together, and I am very happy about the outcoming. And now I'm just looking for some papers and some papers I can place behind my picture. And then I will also bring in some more little black and white, or mostly black details for some more contrast, and just for I don't know, it's just, I love it. So just gluing the paper to my picture, and then I will just finish that page, and I will start to play some music now. And thank you so much for stopping by, and I wish you all a great day. Stay safe and stay healthy everyone. And that's it for now. Talk to you soon, and bye.